Everyone, welcome back again to my channel Study Junction, and today we are going to discuss the most important questions from chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities. One thing I must say you first, you need to know what are expressions and all the definitions given in this chapter. There are three identities in this chapter: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square. So make sure you learn them properly because all these questions will be based on that only. So you need to know what are coefficients, monomials, binomials, polynomials. In class 9 you'll have a whole chapter on polynomials, so get ready to study it, but first study this chapter thoroughly because it makes a great percentage in your exam. So like and unlike terms are to be read. Then first topic from this chapter is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So make sure you know how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. One thing I want to tell you in this example is that subtract this expression from this. So read the word from, not like write this first and then this beneath this. No, from word means that this has to be written first and this has to be written under it. So it's a very basic tip, but sometimes we get such confused that we are not just we're doing silly mistakes. So if you don't know how to do this method, then there's another method. First write this statement, put a minus sign, and then in the bracket write this expression, and then change their signs and accordingly subtract them. Okay. So exercise 9.1 is very basic. You have to identify. In first two questions are very simple. After that, add the following, subtract the following. If you practice examples, तो आपका चल जाएगा, आप कर सकते हो. उसके बाद main thing, multiplication of algebraic expression. So it's introduction only in this NCERT book. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial, multiplying two monomials, multiplying three or more monomials. So practice these questions really well. I think I'm not finding any such question which is very important. These are the basic addition, subtraction, multiplication and division things. Make sure you divide them properly. It's very important. So this question, example 6, finally I have found, which is important because you first have to multiply 5m by 3 minus m and then add this. It's very important. Then it's also very important because first you'll have to multiply and after that only you'll be able to solve this further. Example 5 is also very important because you have to substitute the values for x and y respectively. So these three questions means page number. Page number 145 is important. Mark it. Okay, so exercise 9.3, I'll tell you the main questions in this. Make sure you know how to do this kind of and this kind of. First and third part is very important from question number 3 of exercise 9.3. After that simplification, substitution. So substitution में आपको दिया है x is equal to half. So make sure you know how to do that. After that fourth के a और b part बहुत important है. This fourth and fifth whole is very important. Make sure you practice them really well. After that, multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. So multiplying a binomial by a binomial, multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Simplify. See this question, example 10. बेटे प्लीज़ ये कर लेना, ये क्वेश्चन आपको आ सकता है. मैं पहले ही वॉर्न करी हूँ, फिर मत कहना आई डिडंट टेल यू. तो मेक श्योर यू डू इट. एग्जाम्पल एक्सरसाइज 9.4 में से मैं पहले ही बता रही हूँ. आई एम टेलिंग यू फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, आई मीन क्वेश्चन 3 whole. Any question can be asked. Very important, very very important. After, what is an identity? I hope you are knowing what's an identity. If you don't know, just read it. After that, I told you you have to learn these three identities really well, and after that applying identities. So applying identities is a very important concept in this chapter because example 13 and 12, are very important. You'll know how the questions are asked. Example 14 at the same time is very important. Exercise 9.5 is very important. Have a look. These questions, अगर एक एक क्वेश्चन में से आप दो दो पार्ट्स भी कर लेते हो तो आपका चल जाएगा, बिकॉज यू विल हैव द बेसिक आइडिया व्हाट टू डू. सी दिस शो दैट part, fifth part is important. Then show that questions are very important because you have to prove them. These can be asked. I'm telling you, these can be asked. Mark them as important. Just write here important. See here also some are there. Once you just have learned the identity and know how to use it, then it's game of anything which you like. This favorite sport, as you love to play your favorite sport, this chapter will be like that sport only. So what we have discussed many things, but you can read the NCERT things also. So hope you like this video. If you don't like, then I'm sorry, and if you like, press the bell icon so that when you subscribe